Well, what do we have here? A brand new body style 2023 International CV Century bed, air ride suspension, straight out the factory with 800 delivery miles only. 2-car carrier with wheel lift. Never had a car on the bed. Traction tread in the back, doubled up boxes, doubled up fuel tanks, comfortable motor, air ride seat, quick dump valve, power options, power mirrors, automatic, 3-passenger seating. Boy, oh boy. These new body styles have been impossible to get. Matter of fact, all of our 2023s to date have been the old body style, except for 2. One which actually just left yesterday, and then one wrecker which is leaving on Tuesday. Beautiful build right here for a standard cab. Some lucky owner is going to be thrilled that not only is this truck real, in stock, and available, but also will make them one of the first anywhere with a new body style MV. International hadn't changed their body style in almost 20 years. Somebody's going to be the proud owner of this unit and have a beautifully built truck. Check the website for this one and several others. Matter of fact, I think sales guy said we've got 45 other tow trucks and rollbacks and wreckers in stock right now. So check the web for all inventory. Up to date every day. Davis4x4.com.